Hello my beauties, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gigi. As you can see, we're working with pigments today, and that's right, we're not even putting polish down. This is top coat, not top coat, base coat that I have down, a nice layer of base coat, which I always start with. I don't usually show that, but off camera I always base coat the nails before we work with them. And today we're just going to burnish in this really nice shimmery, there's a word for it, mind is blanking, but it looks very jellyish. And if you just leave it at one coat, it's going to stay looking really jellyish, and it's super pretty. But I'm going to do 2 coats just because I wanted a more rich depth of color. That's all. If you guys have noticed, not only is a remake of The Little Mermaid coming out, Mermaidcore is huge. It's not been that long since I did a mermaid-ish sort of set, but that was for a different reason. I'll link it for you guys. I'll find it and link it. Now look at these. These are real pretty, and they're very jelly. And if you just leave it like that and give them a base coat, you could work on top of them and art them up any way you want. But I thought I would just do a second coat, like I said, for a little bit more richness. And I'm just going to show you the one. The rest of them you'll see as we go. And look how pretty that is. It's just so shiny. And even with the second coat, you can still see that there's a very sheer quality to it. And that's definitely what I was going for. Because we're going to do something else on top of these that I think is super cool. Here we go. I saw this technique on TikTok. I don't even know who I saw do it. I don't even know that she used what I'm using. So what I did was take a little tiny dot of white polish and mix it into my Blooming Gel. That was it. And now I'm coming in with some base coat and I'm making some dots. And that's going to give us a watery effect. I will say a little of the bloom was lost by putting in the white, but not so much that it still didn't work. It did work. Excuse me. It did work. And I let the gel sit for a moment before I put it into the lamp so that it would have a chance to really do its bloom, right? And that's what you want, kind of that ripply look of water is what you're trying to mimic. You might be able to even do it better with maybe lines, but I'm not sure. That's my family you hear downstairs. I cannot control them, so sometimes you hear them and they're having a good time, so yay. That's all. They're having fun. There you go. See, we get that watery look, which is, that's where mermaids live. So 2 water nails is what we've got. And now I'm putting down a little bit of gel, and we are going to really gem these up. I'm calling these nails Ariel's Treasures because that's what it reminds me of. Ariel's treasure room in The Little Mermaid. I swear if I had a little fork, I would have put a little fork on here. What did the bird call the fork? Let me know if you know in the comment section below, okay? Let me know if you're a fan of the Little Mermaid cartoon from Disney. You're going to know that the bird, who was played, I want to say, by Buddy Hackett, called the fork a thing, and he said it was for combing your hair. If you know what it's called, let me know below. Maybe throw a little mermaid down. But we're just going to gem these up. There's no rhyme or reason. When I look at something, if it feels like it goes, it goes. And I'm not trying to create any specific shape. Just like if you were looking in a box full of treasures and they're all mishmashed and jumbled together. That's what we're going for here. And I actually really love it. This is another set where I kind of wish I'd done it on myself, except I really am not that great at keeping gems and stuff on my nails. So they'd probably look pretty crappy before a couple days was over or by the time a couple days was over. Has anyone gone to see the new Little Mermaid? I think it's already out. I don't know the exact release date, but I know I've seen a couple reviews already. If you've seen it, let me know what you think about it. I'm excited about it. What's that girl's name? Haley Bailey, I think it is. She is gorgeous and adorable. And I love her on that show she's on that goes with Blackish, Grownish, I think it is. The the encrusted nails, they've already got the top coat, so we're just top coating the other three. But anyway, I also love Melissa McCarthy, so I'm obsessed with wanting to see this movie. But here we are. This is our Mermaidcore Ariel's Treasure Room inspired set. I hope you like them as much as I do. I think they came out super cute. Let me know what you think in the comment section below while you're letting me know what the fork is called. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We're going to see you in the next video for something super awesome. Until then, love you. Bye.